If your gut is sick, your whole body is sick, but don't let that stop you. The answer is easier than you think. Watch this video to find out our top tips on how you can repair your gut. Listen, I was a really sick child. My gut got decimated by overuse of antibiotics. My mother just didn't know any better. She thought she was helping me with my chronic ear infections, but I know that so much use of antibiotics can really destroy your gut. There's another thing that can also destroy your gut that you can leave off the table or stop going and getting it. Ultra-processed foods.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
So for example, crackers are ultra-processed foods. Chips are ultra-processed foods. These foods go and they damage the lining of your gut. And then you have permeability issues, which is a real problem, meaning that your poop is basically leaking out into your body. That's disgusting to think about, but it's happening. And this causes all kinds of autoimmune issues. And I mean, I'll just stop there. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It controls your mood, it controls your skin, it controls your immune system, it controls everything. Imagine it as like the control center of your entire body.
You're amazing, by the way.
Thank you, Penelope. Our nervous system plays a huge role in all of this.
So, you guys are feeding the bad bugs with your stress, with your processed food, with your ultra-processed chemical food-laden
Sugar,
food,
with the bad oils.
your dyes. So, okay, so what can you do? You can eliminate sugar, flour, all of your ultra-processed foods, and feeding the good bugs means you're feeding your body fermented foods. So not like probiotic pills, but you feed your body fibrous foods, like foods that grow on the ground, like squash and kale and all the greens you can think of. Mom taught me this really important lesson when I was 320 pounds about feeding the good bugs. And part of doing that is incorporating 30 different types of vegetables in your diet.
Imagine your gut microbiome is like a garden. And when you plant your garden, you want to tend to your soil. And before you can have a healthy garden, you have to be sure that your soil is healthy. Every bite that you take is either contributing to really good fertile soil or it's contributing to soil that's dying and nothing can grow in it. You want good bacteria to grow in your garden, and you do that by eating fiber. Water and movement are not just for weight loss. They're also there to flush toxins out of your gut microbiome, out of your gut. They improve circulation as well. And so you definitely want to hydrate well and move more. And there's so much science on this. And that's why we include a gut microbiome course inside of our big course. So maybe you'll have a chance one day to join us on that journey.
Fermented foods are really important for your gut microbiome because of diversity. And what are some scientific benefits of fermented foods?
Well, what's really interesting is that when we interviewed Sabine Hazen, definitely check out that content. Dr. Sabine Hazen, she revealed to us that she tested a lot of probiotics, especially the fancy ones that you'll find at your grocery stores, an alarming amount, like 98%, I think she said, of those probiotics actually were not active. They did not make it all the way to the gut. And she's the person who's testing fecal matter to see what bacteria are in feces after taking these, supplements. And so that's shocking. Like, can you imagine spending $200 on a super fancy probiotic that you get that's going to cure your gut after your antibiotics? And actually, they don't make it all the way to the large intestine. They get stopped in the stomach, or they get stopped in, one of the 7 things that happen all the way to your rectum. That is alarming. So what we know is that the ancient healing tradition of eating fermented foods shows that it's like the transportation system for the good bugs to come all the way into your gut microbiome. So whether that's naturally fermented yogurt or naturally fermented sauerkraut, meaning just sea salt and cabbage or whatever the vegetable is. So these fermented foods have been proven over thousands of years in every culture throughout time to help fortify immunity. It helps to decrease anxiety and depression, and it also helps us to lose weight, and it also helps you to repair your gut microbiome. We feel very strongly about the role of the healing from the inside out, and that's why we have Step It Up. I lost 100 pounds myself. As you know, Penelope lost 160 pounds, and we are a mother-daughter on a mission to help women like you lose weight, but not only lose weight, to gain energy back, to gain vitality back, to gain your health back. And if you're ready to lose 8 to 10 pounds this month, you should definitely join our 30-day challenge. Click the link in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our Substack. It's the best way you can support our work. Follow us on all the social medias down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you all the time.